Bubbles here. I'm gonna do a video on taste testing again of this iced pumpkin latte. So last time I had the pumpkin drink, frappuccino. I'm gonna link that above. So keep on watching. Okay, so from Starbucks, when I was doing my last class for today, I was eating my lunch, and then I was suddenly happy because my mom bought me this iced pumpkin latte in tall, I think, and it has 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce, light ice, and it's iced. And it's already liquid because it's hot outside, and it's kind of liquid coffee thing. I already had like 2 or 3 sips of it, but yeah. So we stir it. It's cold. Wow. There is the pumpkin taste in it. So this is another fall drink. I have to drink this slowly because it's cold. Okay. So I rate this drink 10 out of 10. I highly recommend it. Yeah. And I'm wearing this shirt because yeah. And give a like, subscribe, comment down, and give a like if you want to see my community college kind of collection, what I got after my graduation day and before my graduation day. Thank you. Bubbles out. Where's the oh, it's covered anyway. Okay. There. I'll do that one. Bye.